Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. So guys, in today's video I've decided to give a brief information about the TikTok Creator Fund. So I've been making videos about TikTok topics, showing you guys how to do things on TikTok and all that. So today I've decided to introduce TikTok Creator Fund to all my viewers so that you guys can have a fair knowledge of what the TikTok Creator Fund is all about, and then you can consider joining. Now I'm going to tell you about what TikTok Creator Fund is and also how you can apply. Now let's get started, guys. Now first of all, let's start with what is TikTok Creator Fund. Now, TikTok Creator Fund is just basically an organized body on the TikTok app responsible for rewarding creators for making incredible TikTok videos. So this one is not live gifts or video gifts. This one allows you to actually make money for making videos on TikTok, quality videos on TikTok. So if you want to start doing this, then you should join the TikTok Creator Fund. Now I'm going to tell you about who is eligible. Now to participate in TikTok Creator Fund, you must meet certain requirements. For example, you must be aged 18 or older, and also you need to be a legal resident of one of the 50 states District of Columbia, right? And also you must have at least 10k followers on your account and 100k authentic video views in the last 30 days. All right, and post original videos in line with our community guidelines. So your videos need to adhere to TikTok community guideline before you can be able to join. All right, now let's proceed to how you can actually apply. Now if you believe you meet all the eligible requirements, then you can apply within the TikTok app by opening your account settings, clicking Creator Tools, and then TikTok Creator Fund. Now if you go to your TikTok settings and click on the Creator Tools and you can't find the Creator Fund option, then it means that your account is not yet ready for TikTok Creator Fund. You need to meet the requirements stated above before you can be able to apply. Now here it says how are my funds calculated. Now here it says a number of factors influence how funds are calculated for videos under the program. These elements include video views, video engagement, as well as ensuring the videos adhere to the community guidelines and terms of service. So this is basically how your fund will be calculated. It is calculated based on the video views and video engagement, and also your videos being able to adhere to TikTok community guidelines and terms of service. Now here it says, please keep in mind that not all videos on your accounts are considered as qualifying for the Creator Fund. Videos made pre-acceptance are not considered, nor are live streams, duets, and stitches. All right, you have to keep that in mind. It says, where are my funds? Now this is where you can actually find your funds. If you finally join the TikTok Creator Fund, your estimated funds should appear in your Creator Fund dashboard approximately 3 days after the day in which video views are accrued. To access your Creator Fund dashboard, first go to your profile and select to open your settings. From there, tap Creator Tools and then Creator Fund. You can withdraw funds $10 minimum, 30 days the month ends in which they are accrued, and transfer to your preferred payment method like PayPal or Zelle. All right, so this is just the brief information you should keep in mind about the TikTok Creator Fund. Now if you meet this requirement, then just go ahead and apply. Right, so guys, this is all about the TikTok Creator Fund. Like I said, this allows you to get paid for making videos, just like YouTube and Facebook. Right, pays you for it pays you for the views you're getting on your videos. So if you want to start enjoying that on TikTok, then you should consider joining the TikTok Creator Fund. Right, all right, so guys, this is all I have for you about the TikTok Creator Fund. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more tips on how to use TikTok app and also how to make money on TikTok, here's a playlist on how you can actually do that. Click on the playlist and enjoy more videos that can help you grow your TikTok account and make money on TikTok. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.